Good evening, everybody. It's me, Marie, and baby Joy is sitting here in her swing in my bedroom, and we just came to show you that we got a big screen, a big flat screen TV, a new TV that shows a better picture. And I'm sitting here watching the Nature Channel with baby Joy. That's the new TV, y'all. And this is the new remote that comes with it. As y'all know, I used to have this TV with this one I made. I used to have this TV and I made this remote to it. But yeah, and it was always the beach scene. So now, since Baby Joy liked the butterflies, as you can see in her room, we got butterfly wallpaper. I thought she would like the Nature Channel, so this is what we sitting here watching, huh, Baby Joy? The Nature Channel on our new big screen, flat screen TV. Awesome. Check it out. It's wider. Yeah. And I love this tiny bitty, little tiny remote. So we just came to share our new television with y'all. And oh, another appliance came from my kitchen. And it's my microwave. Matches my refrigerator. I love my new microwave. And the door also, this calculator out the way. My door opens. Got muffins sitting up there. Yeah, so I just probably got to get a little tray to go in there. But I love my new microwave. Because it matches my refrigerator. I'm loving this kitchen. So we just came to say, have a blessed evening. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye now.